Any mention? May please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I beg to make a mention of item number 13, Your Lordship. 13, 14, and 15. This is a connected matter, Your Lordship.
Which the other
For
side?
3 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
We have no objection, Your Lordship.
14, 13, 14, 15, unfair.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
All right.
After 2 weeks. Yes. Please, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 8 on behalf of the District Council, respondent 1, 2, and 3. Due to some personal difficulty, Lordship, I am praying for a short recommendation today.
Your Lordship, I am appealing for the petitioner, Your Lordship. No objection, Your Lordship.
No objection.
Objection, Your Lordship.
It's unfair. Comment by Mr. So-and-so. Learning Council depending on so-and-so. Not objected to the Learning Council petitioner. Please after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. Much obliged.
Please, Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23. The matter may come up after 2 weeks, Lordship.
No objection.
2 weeks. After.
Obviously.
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 7. The conducting counsel, Ms. Vibhata Chatterjee, she have some difficulty, personal difficulties.
No objection, Your Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
Prayer of so-and-so not objected to the petition after 2 weeks. Yes.
Highly obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, I beg to mention item 12. May this matter come up of 2 weeks.
Who is the other side here?
No objection, Your Lordship.
What is this matter about?
This matter, the petitioner challenges the proceeding against a criminal case, Your Lordship, alleging that he was falsely implicated.
Oh, there were 3 cases.
Look here.
Yes, Your Lordship. I think they're connected.
Yes.
And then 2 basically, I think they were discharged or maybe something like
Yes,
that, isn't it? Mr. Shangreshu is appearing in this matter.
Yes, Your Lordship, he's out of
Yes.
station.
All right. When do you want it?
After 2 weeks.
It's 12 weeks. No prayer for the petitioner, not objected by G. After 2 weeks. Yes.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 6, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, may I have it after 2 weeks?
You are appearing for?
Lordship, first year respondents.
I'm appearing for a petitioner. So
What is this matter about?
this matter is pertaining about contract work.
Okay.
Contract work
Diversion
from
of
the
fund,
diversion
something like
of
that.
fund
Yes,
from the
from,
SPV.
Affidavit has been filed.
The fund has been used for certain other purpose.
Yes, yes.
Isn't it? That is what the allegation
There's
is.
the allegation, Lordship, but then the funds which are used are for the development of that area itself, for building of roads and for.
But then
field.
for different purpose. And according to them,
Is
defined
according to
this
them
scheme.
is for not according to the.
It was in
Not,
defiance of
not
the very
according to the
principle of this.
guidelines.
That
Not
is what
according.
it is. Yes. When do you want it?
Lordship, after 2 weeks.
Yes. Oh, that also just on the request of GA, not objected to by the petitioner. List after 2 weeks. Yes. Yes.
Much obliged.
Much more.
Lordship, I beg
Yes.
item number 22. I'm praying for one week time.
No objection, Lordship.
Yes. After.
Obligation, Lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
After. Wait. Just a minute. Just 1 week. 1 week already. After 1 week. Yes. Okay. Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 19. Here, this is the POXO matter, Your Lordship.
Yes.
So, Your Lordship, the matter is pending before the division bench.
Who is there for?
Very good. 18 and 19, Your Lordship.
This is legally matter, Your Lordship. Ms. Ardita is the legal aid counsel.
Is it correct that these are
Yes, Your Lordship.
18, 19 after 3 weeks? Okay. All fair. Yes. Yes.
Highly obliged.
Supplementary causes, item number 1.
Lordship, I'll like to mention item 11.
You are,
I'm praying for some more time to.
no, you should mention when she mention the mention of words.
My apologies, Your Lordship.
Yes.
I'm seeking for some more time to see instructions, Your Lordship.
Which
Whether to
one?
pursue with this matter or not.
Which one? Which
11, 11. Item 11.
Item 11.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship,
That is a matter where you desire to withdraw the same. You said you will be filing an application.
We require some more time to see clear instructions, Your Lordship.
No,
Since
if it
it's
is
an-
if the division matter is disposed of, then why should we keep it pending? We can dispose it of in the same line.
Just some more time, Your Lordship, to file withdrawal.
Okay, we'll record that, and you need time to file an application for filing withdrawal. Application for withdrawal. Mr. Give his name. So, Parliament Council appearing for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is desirous to withdraw this writ petition and requires some time. To file an application. Praying for application as praying for withdrawal with writ petition. Staff of the Parliament Council, therefore prays for grant of 2 weeks time.
2 weeks time.
Prayer Lord, disturb us 2 weeks.
Your Lordship.
May it please your Lordship. Lordship, the matter relates to matrimonial dispute, Lordship. Here the petitioner number 2, Lordship, is the mother-in-law of the respondent, Lordship, the sole respondent, Lordship. And the petitioner number 1 to 5, Lordship, except the petitioner number 2, they are the son and daughter-in-law of the petitioner number 1, Lordship. Here, Lordship, I'll just submit the brief background of the case, Lordship.
Just a minute. Just hold on.
There are 5 petitioner and 1 respondent, Lordship.
Just a minute. Yes, there are 5 respondents.
Yes, 5 petitioner, Lordship.
Oh, 5 petitioners.
Yes,
Okay, and there is 1 respondent.
respondent. The respondent is the daughter-in-law.
Okay.
And the petitioner number 2 is the mother-in-law, Lordship. And the rest,
Number 2 is the mother-in-law. Who is petitioner number 1? Is that
petitioner number 1 is the brother-in-law, Lordship.
brother-in-law, mother-in-law?
Yes.
Okay. And then 3, 4, and 5.
These are, and 3 is the sister-in-law.
Okay.
And 4 is the brother-in-law, and 5 is his wife.
5 is whose wife?
Wife of the petitioner number 2, 4, Lordship.
Okay.
And 3 is the wife of the petitioner number 2, Lordship. 1.
Okay.
Because all the families, members of the respondent, Lordship, the in-laws of the respondents. Now, the son of the petitioner number 2, Lordship,
Who is then this respondent?
the respondent is the daughter-in-law, Lordship. The husband is not made a party here, Lordship. Husband is not before you, Lordship.
Husband is not.
No, Lordship.
He
Here
is
only
not
the
there.
in-laws, Lordship.
He is not there in the picture.
Yes, he is not. Now, the son of the petitioner number 2, Lordship, that is, his name is Gauri Shankar Shaha, married the respondent, Lordship, on 22/1/2018, Lordship. The marriage was held at Tura, Lordship. The marriage was solemnized as per the Hindu rites and customs, Lordship. Lordship, the relation between the couple, Lordship, did not go well, Lordship. Soon after the marriage, there were frequent quarrel and fightings between the married couples, Lordship. Then, Lordship, the respondent was the husband, the respondent's husband was residing in a joint family along with the petitioner, Lordship, here in Lordship. Now, the respondent compelled her husband to stay in a separate accommodation. And the respondent husband has acted on it and he started to stay in a rented accommodation from 10/6/2018, Lordship. Now, Lordship, at the time of shifting, Lordship, the respondents, whatever she brought,
10/6 to 18.
18, just after 5 or 6 months of the marriage, Lordship. Now, whatever the belongings was there, the respondent brought from her parental house, Lordship, was taken at the rented premises.
Stridhana.
Stridhan, Lordship, yes, Lordship. My Lord is rightly put the words Stridhan. Then, Lordship, still the relationship did not go well, Lordship. Despite his being
Relationship between husband and
husband
wife.
and wife, Lordship. Now, August, Lordship, the husband filed a petition for judicial separation before the family court at Guwahati, Lordship. Now that petition is pending, and
Guwahati, why? They are a resident of Tura, isn't it?
no, my lord, wife is from Tura, and the in-laws are from Guwahati, Lordship. Now, in that
No, after separation, after they got separated from the main family, where they were residing?
Guwahati, my lord, this is a place called Ramnagar, Jyotikusi, Guwahati,
It's
Lordship.
all right. So in Guwahati, it was
Guwahati. Now, in the petition of the husband, the wife, the respondent herein, filed her written statement. And in the written statement, she did not speak about her Stridhan, that at the time of leaving my matrimonial home, I did not carry my Stridhan. And whatever the Stridhan is lying at my matrimonial home. She did not make any avertment with regard to the fact. Now, subsequently, Lordship, she filed a domestic violence case before the Judicial Magistrate First Class at Guwahati, Lordship, airing all the petitioner hearing as a party in the domestic violence case. And in the domestic violence case, the husband along with the family members has filed their written objection. Now, from 18, after that what happened in the year 2019, Lordship, the wife also filed a suit for restitution of conjugal rights, and that has been dismissed by the court at Guwahati, Lordship. Now, there are two pending proceedings, Lordship. One is judicial separation filed by the husband, and another is domestic violence case filed by the respondent herein. Both are pending before the court at Guwahati, Lordship. Now, in the pending proceeding, Lordship, the respondent herein, January 2023, Lordship, filed 3 applications, one in January, one in July, and one is April, Lordship. 3 applications asking for return of the Stridhan. That all the 3 petition, Lordship.
Where filed where?
Guwahati, Lordship.
What in which? Before the which?
One is before the family court where the husband has filed the judicial separation case, and other 2 is before the family court, Lordship. That are all 3 petitions are pending, Lordship.
Then where domestic violence case is pending?
Guwahati, Lordship, is judicial magistrate first class, Lordship. And the judicial separation case is pending before the
So in that court, no application is filed for return of Stridhana.
file, Lordship.
How many courts? You say family court, and then
Family court is taking care about the judicial separation matter, and the judicial magistrate first class is handling the divorce, what you call that domestic violence case, Lordship.
okay.
Now that matter is pending, Lordship. Now, Lordship, her application for restitution of conjugal rights is also been dismissed in 2019. Now, my Lord will come to the in complaint, Lordship.
This is what complaint? And what you are challenging here? Is
The
a
complaint case, Lordship.
This is under what section?
My Lord, that is my Lord will, there is no section, Lordship. My Lord will find 85, Lordship.
No, where is the issue? Where is the document by which the process was issued.
Lordship, I'll come. My lord will 85. Kindly see the page 85. My lord have got it?
Page 85.
85.
Yes.
This complaint, Lordship, in the year 2024, Lordship. 85, Lordship.
When those proceedings in Assam was initiated?
It was since 2018, Lordship. An application for the first time for return of the Stridhan filed 23, Lordship, January. Now,
So this comes after that.
after that, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship will see there is no mention of the provision, under what provision that complaint has been filed.
Nature of his offence is under 406.
406. Now, Lordship will, nature of the offence is okay. Now, cause of action, Lordship.
406 is breach of trust, criminal breach of trust.
Criminal breach of trust. Now, cause of action, Lordship, started from the day when marriage was solemnized, Lordship. Now, till 22/3/2024, Lordship. Now, place of occurrence, Tura and Guwahati.
Yes.
My lord, now I'll just briefly read some paragraph of the complaint, Lordship.
What you are trying to say, see, this way we are not in the final hearing. Just see, just tell
My
us.
lord, why I am saying my lord? Because the everything had happened at Guwahati, Lordship. The accusation in this petition is that my in-laws are using my clothes, jewelries, whatever at Guwahati, and they used to upload some photos in the social media, and from there she came to know that the properties are being misused by my in-laws. But in the complaint, my lord, there is no specific details when they have used, when they have, there is no specific details, lordship. Nowhere mentioned that on so-and-so's date, because my lord, why I am saying lordship, the period, limitation period for 406 is 3 years, lordship. My lord will not find a single place, any details showing that on so-and-so's date, the petitioner herein using the Stridhan of the, now that apart, lordship. That apart, lordship.
What do you want now?
My
Will
lord,
not issue-
my lord, another aspect, my lord, another illegality, my lord. Now, as per the new CRPC, lordship, that BNSS, court cannot take cognizance without giving the hearing. That has,
But then this was filed prior to BNSS coming into force, isn't it?
no, my lord,
Allegation under section 406 IPC.
my lord, order was issued, yes, lordship. The order was issued, lordship. The order was issued that,
No, the case was filed before that, isn't it?
before, yes, lordship, before.
That will be examined before that. If it is filed before BNSS, then it's okay. There is no problem in it. Apparently, there is not.
My lord will see the that summon also, lordship. My lord will find 102, lordship. No date, nothing, lordship. First, the cognizance was taken without hearing me, lordship. The
Wait. Where is the order by which process was issued?
my lord will find 101, lordship.
101 doesn't say issue of process.
My lord will,
It records appearance of.
my lord, below down, lord, para 8 and para 9, lordship.
No, this comes, see, before that it says that notice has been returned unserved.
My lord,
Because of, see paragraph 7.
yes, lordship, but there are only 4 orders.
No,
altogether,
where the court has taken cognizance of the
My
matter.
lord, there is only 4 orders, lordship. I'll just place that, those orders also.
Anyway, we'll issue notice, Mr.
My lord, I just pray for staying of the summons, lordship. My lord, where that dragging the relatives of the family members, my lord is where, lordship. I am not This has come all as a counterblast to the proceeding pending before the court at Guwahati, Lordship. Now I am 70, that mother is the 70 years old.
Where is you have filed in a separate stay application?
No, Lordship, I have challenged that someone as well as an interim stay
Have you
for
filed,
some.
filed a separate application?
No, Lordship, no, Lordship.
Right, Mr. Self-Learning Counsel. For the petitioner issue notice. Available in 3 weeks. Learned Counsel for petitioners. There are many petitioners. The petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the respondent within 2 days. Stop. Give a paragraph. Learned Counsel on the interim prayer. It is submitted that process in it is submitted that the impugn order dated 22/7/2025 and subsequent issuance of process in the matter by the Court of the Judicial Magistrate First Class, West Garo Hills, in CR case number 12 of 2024. It has been done in blatant violation of the provision of law relating to issue of process in a complaint case. There is nothing, it does not say whether this complaints evidence was recorded.
I have enclosed the complaints.
It was recorded.
Recorded, Lordship.
But then no notice was issued.
No,
according
no,
to
Lordship.
news here.
No, Lordship.
But then that is one arena.
No,
You stop.
my Lord, I have Supreme Court judgment regarding that. My Lord is aware, Lordship, that issue. That Supreme Court, that letter.
Court is not aware about it.
My Lord is aware, Lordship, that
It is further contended that the complaint has been filed apparently on the allegation of offence under section 406 and 34 IPC with regard to the retention of complaint has been filed by the respondents, in the initial. Okay. What you say? Just start with the sentence. By the respondent. Retention of illegal retention of citizen. Already they are retention, then you cut the first part. On the allegation of illegal retention of the street of the respondent. Where is that your details of the case in Assam?
my Lord will.
Where do you get the case numbers?
My Lord, it starts from Lordship. Lordship, para 5, Lordship.
No, where? Just give us the number.
On that first case that filed by the husband.
Where this respondent has already filed application.
Yeah, Lordship.
Seeking return of Sridhana.
Lordship will find, Lordship.
What
Page
is-
76, Lordship.
This is FC civil case number 843 of 2018.
One is family court and one is CR case, Lordship. That's all.
So one is FC civil case, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship. That is first application, Lordship will find
Just wait, just let us.
76, Lordship.
Wait. It is submitted that the respondent had already filed application for refund of Sridhana in proceedings at Guwahati. Therein, F stop, C stop, you will get it in paragraph 5. F stop, C stop within bracket civil case number 843 of 2018.
In that proceeding, Lordship, the application dated 29 April 2023, that is annexure 4, Lordship.
Application has been registered separately, no?
No, Lordship. No.
Anyway, it's okay. And where is that domestic violence case? Miss case DB number 163 M of 2018.
Yes, Lordship. That will find at page 848, Lordship. And the application we will find at page 76.
Wait. Just tell us what is the last name? Application filed application. Do not file say N. Do not say application. Just say filed applications. Before so and so. Before the family court at Guwahati. In FC case number so and so, give the case number, and also before the court of the judicial magistrate first class Kamrup within bracket M in
Miss case number 163.
This case within bracket DV, you will find it at paragraph 8. Okay, at page 6. I've just underlined it with the blue stick. Okay. Seeking recovery of LS Sridhar, which were dismissed by the respective courts.
My lord, one clarification, Lordship. So far as the restitution of conjugal rights filed by the respondent, that has been dismissed. And
We are talking about those applications.
that is still pending, Lordship. Is still pending, not
Which?
the, not
Sridhar,
the.
recovery of Sridhar.
Yes, Lordship. All three applications are still pending, Lordship. All three.
You say you have filed it and it was not given, it was dismissed. You said it at the beginning of your submission.
Lordship, only one, that restitution of conjugal rights filed by the wife, dismissed. The rest is still pending, Lordship. All three applications filed.
You said that you filed an application for recovery of the respondent filed application for recovery of Sridhar.
All, it's all lying pending, Lordship. All three. I apologize.
Just which are do not say which are still pending adjudication before the said authorities. Stop the London Council therefore contends that filing of the CR case number 112 for 2024 before the
Judicial Magistrate First Class at Tura.
Tura, the Judicial First Class Tura is nothing but an abuse of process of law to harass the petitioners. Without any legally justifiable cause. Stop. Next paragraph. Considering the submission made by the London Council and perusal of materials of record. it appears that the dispute raised in the CRP's number, it prima facie appears that the dispute referred to in CRP's number 12 of 2024 is also subject matter of adjudication in the proceedings pending before the courts at Guwahati. Stop hands. It is deemed appropriate to stay the further proceeding of CRP's number so and so, CRP's number 12 so and so, pending before the Judicial Magistrate of Kastura till the returnable date. Step. List after 3 weeks.
Master.
You take steps within. There may be correction here. There
Yes.
is.
Highly obliged, Lordship.
Daily costless, item number 1.
May it please your lordship,
Yes.
my lord, the petition
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, on behalf of Mr. L. Krim, I pray for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship, on behalf of the respondent, as the conducting counsel, Shri L. Krim, is indisposed. I have informed.
You appear for the petitioner in this case, my lord. Okay. Yes, on prayer made by Mr. Learned Counsel. You are also there in this case,
My Lord.
appearing for the respondent. This is matter after 2 weeks.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
After 2 weeks. Yes.
I do oblige, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
Your Lordship, an affidavit of service of notice upon the respondent number 4 has been filed, and that was taken,
That has been served. It shows this.
Lordship, and your Lordship has recorded that none appear for the said respondent when the matter is called out. Last order, Lordship 22. As prayed for the parties, list this matter.
So what shall we do now?
Even today also the respondent number 4 is
Okay.
not before your Lordship, so the matter may proceed ex parte against the respondent number 4.
See, this is a criminal petition. No formal order is needed for each party.
Lordship, then the matter may come up for hearing now.
Yes. Mr. S.D. Patel and a counsel of the petitioner is present. Mr. Learned G. is present on behalf of this. You are for the respondent 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
However, there is no appearance on behalf of the respondent number 4. Let me say yes. Next, we go straight through with the parties. This is matter for hearing after 2 weeks. Yes.
Oblige.
Hearing. Item number 4.
When I say after 2 weeks, you adjust it according to that.
Sorry, DP
Yes.
Wait, please, Your Lordship. I seek accommodation in this matter. Lordship, as DHI is on legs before courtroom number 2, Lordship.
No issue.
On prayer made by MS Annie Usogna, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of Dr. Mojika, known as DSG, appearing with the respondents, comma. The matter stands adjourned for 2 weeks. List accordingly.
Similar 9 and 10 is also there.
Same prayer.
Same prayer, Lordship.
9 and 10 also same prayer. Yes.
Item number 5.
Highly
Should be making a joint request for accommodation for today, Lordship. Mr. Chanda is not available.
Yes. What happened to him?
Lordship, they're still under vacations, Lordship.
Okay.
It's a joint request, Lordship.
Okay. On joint prayer made by the parties. It's a joint request.
Lordship.
On joint request by the parties, this is matter after 3 weeks.
2 weeks, Lordship. 3 weeks, 3 weeks.
3 weeks. After 3 weeks.
Obliged.
Right, Lordship.
16.
Yes.
Two matters are connected, 16 and 17, arising out of 2 FIRs. One is an FIR filed by
Lordship, 16, 17 and 21 are connected, Lordship. The FIRs involved in these 3 matters are the same.
21 also?
21 is the...
Yes, Lordship.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Lordship.
In item 17, Madam Yangi is appearing.
Different, Your Lordship.
21.
No, but then they say the same
The
FIR
similarity
is.
is that the FIR is same. The
No, FIR, there are, so far the other 2 matters are concerned, which have come on transfer from the other court. There, they are challenging 2 FIR. And in my case, there is only 1 FIR. we have got nothing to do.
Just a minute, just a minute.
Please,
Whether-
I'm explaining.
Whether these two FIRs include your FIR or not? Your FIR or not?
This includes one of FIR is my FIR.
That means, you see, the pleas may not be same, but then the FIR is same.
I again defer your lordship here because there is another FIR also. So far they are
That is all
concerned.
right. That is in addition to your FIR.
In addition
but
to
then
my
your FIR is also under challenge.
And so far my case is concerned, that will be hard on the different footing.
That is we understand. That we understand.
Yes,
An
Lordship.
FIR can be quashed
Yes.
against a particular person.
Yes.
It can be.
Yes, one FIR may be there that supposing I am in respect of me, the FIR is quashed. It doesn't mean that it will be quashed with
Yes,
respect to
so-
the
yes,
other. Also, that's the point.
So there is no requirement of hearing the matters together. All three matters together.
Lordship.
Yes.
16 and 17 where I am appearing, these are Lordship. If I may just give a background what has happened. There is a dispute of two brothers. Dispute within the family with regard to a patta. Patta was mutated in the year 1997 and an FIR was lodged in 2023 saying that that mutation was done fraudulently. And now, Lordship, what has happened is these petitions
Mutation was done by.
in 1997 by the district council.
Okay. So
Following
what is the allegation here? What is the criminal allegation here?
allegation is, Lordship, that if that is what, Lordship, there is
Yes,
no,
that
in
has
fact,
been
there is no
registered as
allegation.
under 420, Your Lordship, 468 and 471 IPC.
An FIR has been lodged by the supposed patta holder saying that the person in whose name the patta has been mutated in 1997 was done fraudulently and he was not the owner. And in pursuance to that FIR, apart from the family member, these two petitioners who are the employees of the district council, the present settlement officer and Mondol, has been implicated in this case and it has been stayed also, Lordship.
The contention is that there is a conspiracy among those, the respondents, the writ petitioners.
Something that happened in
The petitioners and these officials from the GHEDC, which is why there was a fraudulent mutation of the property in the names of a person who is not actually the owner.
No, that is okay. Just because somebody else's name is entered.
And this happened in
See, if
1997.
you want to say
Lordship.
the fraudulent entry, that means that is made on the basis of, some documents or the claim has been made by, involving some criminal.
There's a criminal element in all these cases, Your Lordship. Criminal element is there, Your Lordship. Although the
Just
other.
because there's so what the FIR says, what is the FIR?
Lordship, may please come to the FIR at page 32. Annexure 1, page 30.
Which writ petition? Petition are you in? Criminal petition.
So why two FIRs here then?
Now what happened is, thereafter, on the basis of the FIR filed by the complainant here, the police went to search the documents and they lodged a suo motu FIR also under the Official Secrets Act. So that is how the suo motu FIR has also come, which is the second FIR here. Under the same provisions 420, 406.
So there two different police case numbers are there. Police case.
PS case numbers.
So how can both be challenged in one petition then?
No, they are being taken up in the same, this one, Lordship. Because one is the 23 and one is the suo motu FIR 24.
No, that is okay. 23 and 24 we
sorry,
understand, but
44.
then there are two different cases.
Lordship is. But they are being proceeded together.
How can that be possible? If there are two separate FIR, two separate police station cases, then it means separate. How
The
can
PS
those be
case number is-
clubbed together?
Because it is arising out of the same suo motu FIR is not at
What that case says, that TT Antony's case,
Lordship.
2003 maybe. Can there be multiple FIR to one incident?
No, that is exactly, Lordship, what has happened. If your Lordship will just see
No,
the
what
FIR
the
on
law says.
No, multiple FIR for the same incident cannot be, Lordship. That can be whatever supplementary that can
So
be.
that it
just
means
put as a
it means like you cannot have FIR registered in every stage of an investigation.
Lordship, yes.
If matter pertains to one incident.
One incident, but here that has also been done, which is why the entire thing has been stayed by this Honorable Court at the stage of motion only, Lordship. In the other item.
So many incidents have held that.
If Lordship will just see the two affairs, Lordship will see what is the nature of the dispute, Lordship. Kindly see page 32, my lord. If I may just read this, it's a detailed three-page.
The initial order staying the operation of the investigation in both the cases.
No, only in one case.
So,
Only in one case.
then why do you say it has been stayed both the cases?
Not for both the cases.
There is no question of staying both
I
the
will,
cases. At that moment, see, probably it was not pointed out at that point of time that there are two cases.
No, Lordship, that was, in the petition it was mentioned, and it was also mentioned that we did not get a copy also of that Suomoto affair. That was subsequently brought on record by way of an additional affidavit, which was allowed by the court, Lordship. The Suomoto affair. Specific
Lordship, if I may intervene, Lordship. In this item number 16, or at the motion stage, I had appeared for the state government. And since the second FIR was not a part of the criminal petition which was filed by the petitioners, I had pointed it out before this honorable court. And the honorable court did not grant any stay because the FIR which was under had not been annexed to the petition.
That which FIR
And
concerns
so far as
which FIR concerns Turapia's case number 23?
Yes.
The one which is enclosed.
It is
Annexed
FIR
to-
dated 14th March 2022.
That's 32.
Yes, page 32.
So we'll confine to that only.
Very well, Lordship.
We'll just see whether there is any allegation against those people
Yes,
here.
if I may just read this FIR, Lordship. Detailed FIR.
If you are adjourning the matter, is there any reason to read it? I know.
No, I'm not
I thought
adjourning.
it, oh, you're not adjourning it. I thought it.
If I may just read it, this page 32, Lordship, FIR.
Yes.
This is, Lordship, dated 14th March.
Who are you?
2020.
What is your name?
Lordship, this is Senkal M. Sangma. He is the Assistant Settlement Officer of
So this
District Council.
property was mutated in your name.
No. I am the Assistant Settlement Officer of the District Council, who is the custodian of the record presently, of the mutation and the pattas and everything.
So at the time,
This mutation
When
was done
this-
in 97.
when this mutation, fraudulent mutation allegedly took place,
I was not in office.
you are not in the office.
No, Lordship. Now what? Kindly see this FIR also, Lordship.
Is it correct? He was not in the office
This is a very
at that
specific,
moment of time. If it is a criminal allegation, how can he be dragged?
very specific.
Lordship, this is
That
one
was his
thing
case,
which
her case, Your Lordship. I'm not in this case. I
It's
mean,
the
for
same,
the
it's the
state.
same FIR.
Is that
same
not?
allegation.
Is that not good enough? If he is not in the
this is something which needs to be clarified by the GHADC, and GHADC has not been made a party
No,
in
I
the
have made
No,
a
no,
very
whether he
specific
is,
averment.
he is there in the office or not, your investigating authority should say. You say. If you say he was in service, at least show us some evidence. Give us some evidence that he is in this thing.
Mutation deed is there in record, Lordship.
See, madam,
1997.
this is a criminal offence, so it has to be a personal thing. If he is not there in the office, where is the question of? Tell us, when did you join the job?
Lordship.
When is the date of this thing? We will not go into any further thing if that be the thing. If you say that is thing, that will be good enough. You have been made an accused in this to 23.
23, Lordship, yes. Now that apparently fraudulent mutation, Lordship, that was done in 15th March 1997. If Lordship will see,
Is this what the FIR says?
Lordship, FIR does not say anything. That is why I am saying, if Lordship may just be pleased to see the FIR once. If I may just read it very
Then
quickly.
what basis you say it was done on 15th March?
From the records, Lordship. Kindly see the
Records means whose record?
District Council record. Because
No,
I am
but
the
then how can we
settlement
take
officer.
cognizance of that?
No, I am not saying that. That is part of the investigation. So kindly see the FIR itself, Lordship. If I may just very quickly read it, page 32, Lordship.
Yes.
I am the authorized person holding a valid authorization issued by Srimati so-and-so to represent Srimati so-and-so in respect of her land owned at Garo Hills by way of inheritance from her deceased husband, late so-and-so, situated at Fancy Valley, Tura, covered by PP number 420, DAG number 1450, measuring 0 bigha, 1 kata and 3 lassas, under Moses such and such, West Garo District, Meghalaya. Photocopy of the authority letter duly notarized and copy of the patta are enclosed. To my knowledge, after the demise of late Shiv Jatan Gupta, the land has not been mutated in the name of Srimati Kusum Gupta. That by virtue of such authorization, I have been authorized to induct tenants in the property of Kusum Gupta since the date of authorization, that is July 2019. That to my utter surprise and dismay, Srimati Anu Jain Bora. Now she is the petitioner in Sirs item 21. Anu Jain Bora, wife of Sumit Jain Bora, being my younger brother's wife. So it is a dispute between the two brothers. Have issued eviction notices to the tenants living under occupancy under the said property of Kusum Gupta, wife of late so and so, claiming herself to be the landlord of the property in question. The said letter dated 21/10/22 in photocopy is marked as enclosure such and such. Further, Srimati Anu Jain Bora claims the property to be Bora House on perusal of the said letter of eviction. It is pertinent to mention that in the previous occasion, the very approach of my younger brother and his wife, both portraying themselves in the estimation of other people to be the landowners of the said property portrayed as Bora House, prompted me to approach the office of the GHDC Tura to ascertain the status of the property on the strength of my stated authorization letter, on the basis that Srimati Kusum Gupta resides in such and such Assam, upon which I learned that the property in question has been mutated in the name of my younger brother, Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora in the revenue records of the district GHDC. In this stated context, if such illegal mutation has happened, then Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, being a non-tribal, has no right to purchase any property or get land mutated in his favour from late Shiv Jatan Gupta, the original owner of the land, in terms of the provisions of the Land Transfer Act of Meghalaya. Further, any act, deed or thing done towards such illegal transfer would be only possible through an act of criminal conspiracy, cheating, fraud, impersonation and other provisions of IPC. That the very letter of eviction clearly spells the conduct of the duo couple who are not authorized agents to take steps to issue eviction notice to the tenants, but have been candidly issuing eviction notice as authorized persons agents. Such act of them creates unreasonable apprehension, more importantly in the present context, whence the landowner Srimati Kusum Gupta claims to have not authorized Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora or his wife to issue eviction notice or to do anything pertaining to the property land in question. That it further transpires that the revenue records of the GHDC should be inspected accordingly, as because Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora holds influence in the town and that his character and antecedents could be well seen from the enclosed FIR dated such and such, a copy of which has been which no arrest has been made in the past. And in the premises,
enclosed FIR means?
We don't know, Lordship. It appears that there was some dispute between the two brothers earlier. And
who is appearing for the complainant?
Mr. Paske.
Yes, what is that? What is that enclosed FIR? You are not audible, Mr. Paske.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Your Lordship, there are 4 enclosures attached along with the FIR, but my learned friend has chosen not to annex it along with the FIR, so challenging the FIR. There are 4 enclosures, and if my learned friend states that he was not in service in the year 1997, Annexure 2 at the Patta is, Annexure 2 is the Patta, Your Lordship. It says issued Patta in the name of Shiv Jatan Gupta in the year 2009, to be very specific, 24th of July 2009. So he was there.
What you are reading? Which page you are reading?
Your Lordship, actually these are the enclosures.
Okay, so enclosures are not here. This is not a part of record here.
We don't have it, Lordship.
Not in 16 and 17, but it is in 21. It is attached.
Yes,
as an additional document.
it has been brought on record.
So how can
It has
we
been brought
see,
on
like,
record.
for examining the documents of this case, we will take Mr. Jindal's case and then
Because this
when
is
it's
what
not
is there
brought
given to
together.
me. Yes, this is what I have. I don't have those FIR and other enclosure and all, Lordship.
Against your here, any objection filed by this thing?
They have not filed any affidavit
Mr.
or
Paske,
objection.
have you filed any written objection in this case?
Your Lordship, I was not allowed to, Your Lordship.
You're not allowed to?
I don't.
Is it?
I sought for filing objection, Your Lordship, but like I was not allowed, so the matter went for.
Is it? Is it? By which order?
Yes, Your Lordship.
By which order?
Your Lordship, the order does not reflect, Your Lordship. I just sought like time to file my objection. I have my objection in case number 21, Your Lordship. Item number 21.
21 is not clubbed together. And according to Mr. Jindal, this is totally different.
It emanates out of the same FIR. It's the same FIR that we are also on, Your Lordship, now. That is the FIR filed by the complainant.
This 14th.
And it is only during the investigation that the suo motu FIR was filed, Your Lordship.
Yes.
During the investigation, when certain documents were seized from the residence of the
See,
petitioner's hearing.
we are not on that. We are right now concerned with that 23.
Turapi's
case number 23.
This 14th March FIR. That is the case. That is the same.
Your Lordship, then the enclosures would be very vital, Your Lordship.
So then what to do about those enclosures?
Lordship, in that event, I'll just extrapolate it from the record of 21, or my learned friend can.
That which way you manage, you know it. We cannot say that we cannot allow you to do.
No, I understand. If the complainant, she'll be in possession,
I
he
will
can file it
supply
by
it, Your Lordship.
affidavit. He wants to file objection. That is also well. I have no objection to that, Lordship.
And what about the next case? Is
That
there
is
also?
same.
There also.
It
There
is the
also.
same, Your Lordship.
There also you are appearing.
Lordship, yes. So these are the
These
two.
are
These
two
two are district council
employees of the
employees.
district council
Just hard
who
London
have
Council
been
appearing for the parties.
implicated.
It appears that the enclosure to the FIR dated 14th March 2023. Which is according to
He's not.
under challenge is this criminal petition. And what we said? It appears there. Comma. Comma, which is under challenge in this sense, comma, have not been annexed in this criminal petition. Stop. It is the contention of the parties that
ये बंद कर देता है ना।
those annexures would be relevant for the purpose of proper adjudication of this matter. Mr. P.R. Paske, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respondent number 2, stroke complainant. Do not say, just say the respondent number 2. Do not say Mr. Paske, just say the respondent number 2 stroke complainant. Shall bring on record the enclosure to the FIR dated so and so by filing an
This is his rulings.
affidavit. Stop. When can you do it, Mr. Paske?
I think we have.
Your Lordship, by Tuesday.
Yes, prayed for by Mr. Paske. Council appearing for the respondent number 2. 1 week's time is granted for filing the additional affidavit.
This is, I think.
Stop. This stuff at 2 weeks. Same order in the other. Same order.
It's the same.
There also Mr. Paske for respondent number 2. Same order the same. This is item.
This is 16 and 17.
16 and 17.
Yes.
Much obliged.
Obliged, Lord.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 20.
20 seats.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, the affidavit is ready. I'll file it during the course of the day, Lordship. The affidavit to bring on record the FR, Lordship.
Okay. Oh, that investigation matter.
Yes, Lordship. I've served a copy also.
Okay, Mr. Kharmi, additional paper submits that the additional affidavit. Which was required to be filed. Oh, that case, yes, where the body was exhumed and then postmortem was
yes.
done. So you filed your affidavit already here, isn't it?
I have filed the affidavit, but those are the affidavit no questions. This is the affidavit to bring on to court the FR, Lordship.
Oh, this has been, FR has been submitted.
Investigation is complete and it has been returned in FR.
Ms. Honorable submits that the original affidavit in terms of order dated 22/9/2025 would be filed during the course of the day.
Yes, Lordship.
In view of the submission, this is a matter after 1 week.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
She's requesting 2 weeks. Let me 2 weeks.
Yes, sir. Then this is a paragraph as per by the Land Council of the petitioner. Let's submit after 2 weeks. Yes.
No, Lordship.
21.
Yes.
On the earlier round of litigation proceedings, I was asked to file the copy of the missing annexure with the FIR. The same thing. which
Okay.
has occurred. And I have filed the affidavit to bring on record the annexures.
Now, whether those annexures has any relevance so far as your plea is concerned?
I don't find any relevancy, but however, since these are mentioned in the FIR, which is I am challenging before my lordship, are enclosed. So a duty was cast upon me to file the FIR in its entirety, which have been done on 25/6/2025.
Yes.
Lordship, we have read the FIR time and again, and on the face of the FIR, I have pointed out to this honorable court that no case or criminal offence has been made out on the face of the FIR. Now, the allegation also do not constitute any offence, and it lacks necessary particulars, and this has been done with malified intention, and so far the allegations are concerned, these all are relating to the civil dispute between the party. This court, while granting the anticipatory bail, have already made it an observation that case is purely of a civil nature, and we have filed the title suit which is pending before the competent court of jurisdiction. Now, your lordship will see.
You filed the title suit against the complainant.
Against the complainant and the other people who are supporting him. Now, if we go through the FIR,
That page?
Just
page 16, annexure.
Page 16.
Yes.
That's true. Yes. Annexure 1, page 16. Your Lordship, this is FIR dated 14th March 2023.
Yes.
First information report. That I am the authorized hold, and this has been lost. FIR is lost by my elder brother. My elder brother has lost.
Your own brother?
Own brother.
It's not your cousin?
And not my cousin. And he is also lodging the FIR on the basis of the so-called authority letter given by some third party, which is not before your own Lordship. That I am the authorized person holding a valid authorization letter issued by Srimati Kusum Gupta, wife of late Shiv Jatan Gupta of so-and-so place, to represent Srimati Kusum Gupta in respect of her land owned by her at Garo Hill, Meghalaya, by way of inheritance from her deceased husband, late Shiv Jatan Gupta, situated at Fancy Valley, Tura, covered by so-and-so, Patta and Dag number so-and-so, West Garo Hill, Meghalaya. Photocopy of the letter of authority, duly authorized, and copy of the land patta in name of Shiv Jatan Gupta are enclosed as Annexure 1 and 2. On the bare reading of your Lordship, paragraph 1, we do not find any criminal allegations. Nothing is there. Now, I just take to your Lordship the authority letter on the basis of which this FIR has been lost.
Where is that?
I'm showing you.
This is the
Page 55. The typed copy at page 56. This is just an authority letter.
Yes.
I, Mrs. Kusum Gupta, wife of late Shiv Jatan Gupta, aged about so-and-so, North Lakhimpur, in the district of Lakhimpur, Assam, do hereby authorized Mr. Amit Kumar Jain Bora, son of Mr. Suresh Kumar Jain Bora, resident of house number 52, Fancy Bazaar, district West Garo Hill, Meghalaya, to do all the official works on my behalf to represent me before any concerned authority as and when required, respect of the movable and immovable property situated at Fancy Valley, Tura, Moja, number so and so, being bearing periodic patta number so and so on my behalf. And I signed this authority letter. There is no date mentioned, July 2019. Below the signature, there is a date, 15/7,
Yes.
2019.
Yes.
Your Lordship, on the face of this authority letter, Your Lordship will find that whoever may be the executant, because her signature is under dispute, whoever may be the signatory, that person has not authorized the Amit Kumar Jain Bora to file a criminal case or file a FIR against me or my wife. There is no such authority.
Which will it have much bearing so far as
No,
the FIR is concerned?
this may not have, Your Lordship. I am just pointing out to this court that the very basis of his lodging FIR is the authority letter. If the authority letter itself doesn't say or authorize him to file the FIR, where from he gets the authority? He is not fighting for his own behalf. He is fighting on behalf of somebody else who is not before Your Lordship and whose statement also is never recorded by the police.
Anyway, investigation.
Then your lordship, that will take care. The paragraph number 2. That to my knowledge, after the demise of after the demise of late Shiv Jatan Gupta,
His knowledge or his
his master, that is the
attorney gives.
yes, that is also not clear.
This my has to be interpreted which way?
Yes, lordship. That to my
Otherwise he has no claim in the property, isn't
he has no claim in the
So
property.
if he doesn't have a claim in the property, he should not say anything from his knowledge.
Naturally. That to my knowledge, after the demise of late Shiv Jatan Gupta, the said land has been mutuated in the name of Shrimati Kusum Gupta. That by virtue of such authorization, I have been authorized to induct tenant in the property of Shrimati Kusum Gupta since the date of authorization, that is July 2019. Here also your lordship will find in paragraph number 2 there is no criminal things coming into. Then paragraph 3. That to my utter surprise and demise,
Dismay.
dismay, Srimati Anu Jain Bora, wife of Sumit Jain Bora, being my younger brother's wife, have issued eviction notices to the tenant living under occupancy under the said property of Srimati Kusum Gupta, wife of late Shiv Jatan Gupta, claiming herself to be the landlord of the property in question. The said letter dated 21/10/22 in photocopy is marked as Annexure 3 for your kind perusal. Further, Srimati Anu Jain Bora claims the property to be Bora House on perusal of the said letter of eviction. In paragraph 3 also your lordship will find
total civil dispute. He speaks about
civil disputes. It is total civil dispute, your lordship. And moreover, he doesn't say that my landlady, that Anu Jain, that Kusum Gupta has issued the eviction notice. The notices have been issued by the Anu Jain Gura, who is the owner of the property. And no tenant has complained. No tenant has complained that that you are not authorized or we are not your tenant.
Those all will
Those are also all civil.
Civil.
All civil. That it is pertinent to mention that in previous occasion, the very approach of my younger brother and his wife, both portraying themselves in the estimation of other people to be the landowners of the said property, portrayed as Bora House, prompted me to approach the office of the Garo Hill Autonomous District Council, Tura, to ascertain the status of the property on the strength of my stated authorization letter, on the basis that Srimati Kusum Gupta resides at Lakhimpur, Assam Upper, which I learned that the property in question has been mutuated in the name of my younger brother, Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, in the revenue record of GHADC. Here also on the paragraph 4, on the first portion, we do not find any criminal offence. In the said context, now here your lordship will just mark it, in this stated context, if such illegal mutation has happened, then Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, being a non-tribal, has no right to purchase any property or get the land mutuated in his favor from late Shiv Jatan Gupta, the original owner of the land, in terms of the provision of the Land Transfer Act of Meghalaya. Further, any act, deed or things done towards such illegal transfer would only be possible through an act of criminal conspiracy, cheating, fraud, imposition, and other provision of the Indian Penal Code. Your Lordship. This thing, Your Lordship will find that these are the hypothetical allegations. Absolutely, and no details of the cheating or conspiracy. Conspiracy with whom? Nothing such thing is mentioned. It is just a bare.
No, it is what as you say. These are all hypothetical. If first part is found to be correct, that this transfer was barred under land transfer.
Yes, yes.
Then only the question will come.
Then only the
now
question.
For recording finding on
Yes.
the first part of the allegation.
Yes.
It's a civil thing.
Civil,
Whether that was transfer was possible.
Definitely, Your Lordship. And this second part of para 4 also, Your Lordship, do not constitute any criminal offence or shows any criminal offence. Yes. That the very letter of eviction clearly spells the conduct of the deo couple who are not authorized agent to take any steps to issue eviction notice to the tenant, but have been candidly issuing eviction notice as authorized person agent. Such act of them creates reasonable apprehension, more importantly in the present context, whence the landowner Srimati Kusum Gupta claims to have not authorized Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora or his wife of such eviction notices to do anything pertaining to the property land in question, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, I am the owner, I have issued the eviction notice, there is no denial of the fact. I am competent to do so, and none of the tenant has questioned my title as landlord, and therefore, Your Lordship, this from paragraph 5 also, we do not get any reflection of any criminal offence. That it is further transpired that the revenue records of the Garo Hill Autonomous District Council should be inspected accordingly, as because Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora holds influence in the town, and that his character antecedent could well be seen from the enclosed FIR dated 22/3/2021, a copy of which is enclosed as Annexure 4 for your kind perusal, and in which case no completion of inquiry or arrest was seen in the past, Your Lordship. That Annexure 4, Your Lordship, was found to be not with the FIR, so I have filed with the permission of the court, I have filed that copy of the.
And is it has any relevance so far as this?
No, he wants to show my antecedent character, which has no relevancy.
Not relevancy.
No relevancy.
What that enclosure 4 speaks about? This is with regard to?
It is with regard to that on earlier occasions. He has also filed another complaint to the police station, and police has registered the white GD number, but have not proceeded further. So, in fact, Your Lordship, matter was closed at that stage.
That allegation was concerning what?
That allegation was concerning, Your Lordship, that.
Anyway, that did not proceed.
That did not proceed, Your Lordship. It died as on its death. On its death. Now, Your Lordship, after reading this complaint or FIR, time and again and on the face of it, I have submitted that it is purely a dispute of civil natures. With the malified intention, the complainant has come before this court, and complainant have approached to the police.
The case has been registered under what section?
Case has been registered under section 471. There is no such ingredients of any offence on the face of the FIR. Where is section 420? What 420 I did? which documents I have manufactured, and where is the any ingredients of Section 471. Now, Your Lordship, on the this has been submitted by me on the previous 2 occasions also. On the last occasion, a question was posed by this honorable court that can the court look into the other material? And at the stage of quashing the FIR, it was on this legal point which the matter was adjourned, and my submission is this, Lordship, that that the court at the stage of considering the legality or illegality of the FIR for the purpose of quashing it can neither add anything nor deduct anything. This is the law, Your Lordship, which has been laid down.
I think there is a decision by the Apex Court that
Lordship.
It says that during pendency of the case, if the
Lordship.
matter is charge sheeted, then in such a situation, it would be the duty of the court to look at the charge sheet.
No,
the materials.
no, Your Lordship, when it is the case of the charge sheet. Here, Your Lordship, I am
yes,
quite...
because say supposing, not in your case, that during the pendency,
Lordship.
the challenge to the FIR.
FIR, charge sheet is
Matter is
submitted. Charge sheet is
So
submitted.
then charge sheet also definitely can be challenged. That is what the law
No,
says.
Lordship, I'll just place 1 or 2 judgments before Your Lordship to make the matter clear. FIR will be at his own leg, not on the...
So long it is not charge sheeted.
So long it is not. If it is charge sheeted also, then also it will be, position will be the same. Position will be the same. Here in this, in the instant case, Your Lordship, it is not yet charge sheeted.
Yes.
First of all, it is not yet charge sheeted. And nothing preclude me from challenging the FIR without challenging the charge sheet. That is also the law, Your Lordship. Here, Your Lordship, once the FIR is the foundation.
That is a law of which year? You do not have to refer it because your case is not charge sheeted, so we may not go into those. But then that is a decision for the knowledge of the court. Just
Your Lordship.
Is it a new decision? This is a very recent decision. Anyway, it's all right, Mr. Jindal. It may not be very relevant for your case anyway.
Because it was stayed, Your Lordship. The investigation was stayed, so
No,
the
the
charge sheet
matter
could not
has
have
not
been
been-
filed.
the fact
But
is
the
the matter has-
investigation had already started, and statement of the witnesses had also been recorded, Your Lordship, under Section 161.
Anyway, it's all right. Please carry on.
Your Lordship, 2002, on the last occasion, I gave you a list of books, if you remember.
Yes.
What for these decisions are needed?
No addition or no
is it
deletion.
not enough that you say that this FIR does not disclose any criminal offence? And there is no ingredients of 420, 468 and 470?
No, it is on the point whether the court can look into the other thing.
No, other thing is there is no charge sheet here, so what is the question of looking at the other thing?
Then Your
Yes,
Lordship.
we cannot look at the documents which you bring. But you are not doing that.
I am not doing that. Neither the prosecution is doing that. And the prosecution is to confine the case only on the FIR. That FIR, whether it discloses any criminal offence.
Exactly.
And if they try to go beyond that, then Your Lordship, those judgments will be relevant. Otherwise, no.
Let us see what is there. If required, then we will call for judgment. Let us see the reply.
I reserve my right to
No,
reply.
which is the citation we just
I
mentioned?
given 3-4 judgments.
Yes, but now which one are you relying on? That the court cannot
See,
look into
senior
any other
counsel has not
material?
based only reliance. He reserves his right to rely on looking.
No, Your
But
Lordship, because
after-
he had said that the court has to confine itself only to the FIR and not look into any other materials.
Yes, that is.
That is what I wanted to see, if there's anything specific on that.
Yes, specific.
Which is this?
You find out your own.
I had given you.
Anyway, see,
Your Lordship, in that case, Your Lordship, let the complainant
If you
start
are-
his argument, then I will make my
see,
submission.
if you no, you are for the state, where you make it your submission first. If you want to contend that court can look into other materials,
Yes,
then for
this is my contention, Your Lordship.
that is only a case where charge sheet comes.
No,
But
Your
in a
Lordship, I
case-
beg to differ.
Okay, so you have a decision.
I beg to differ on that, Your
And then
Lordship.
what will be those other documents here?
The Lordship, whatever documents are there which is relevant in this case, Your Lordship, because at the time of investigation, Your
Where is the
Lordship.
decision to show us?
Yes, I will just, because even, I have given you the list of books. You also find it out for yourself now.
We have given.
That is, see, that is,
You see, Your Lordship.
very unhealthy for the judge.
Yes, because when I asked for that, I was told that you look for
Senior
yourself.
counsels behave that.
Important evidence.
You see,
Now,
that is-
Your
we do not
Lordship.
know. We
My
never.
apology, Your
we-
Lordship.
we-
I have started,
this
so
court
she
was-
has
So I have
responded.
Kindly, see,
Anyway,
this
it
court
was
was,
not
a,
meant
this
to
court
be-
was a part of the bar for
So
three
long.
decades, 3 decades. We have never come across this kind of things. We always cooperate. See, like this is something.
No, I
you
was-
have a fair fight, isn't it?
Yes, Your Lordship.
I
Your
bow
Lordship,
down.
in fact, I'm sorry about it,
And
Your
there
Lordship.
are,
I should not have done
there
it.
are junior counsel sitting way
Yes.
behind.
Your Lordship, now I'd like to take Your Lordship. My only prayer is that submission is this, Your Lordship, that in the FIR, Your Lordship, which has been submitted
Yes.
and which initiated this criminal proceeding, Your Lordship, there are sufficient materials to show that there is a criminal element in it. Of course, there is a civil element also, but that is immaterial, Your Lordship. There are criminal elements in it to raise suspicion and doubt in the mind of anybody who reads it that there has been a fraudulent transfer of the property from the original owner to the accused persons or the petitioners before Your Lordship, and that there has been, it could not have been possible without a criminal conspiracy from the officials of the GHADC, Your Lordship.
They are the beneficiary.
And because that criminal conspiracy, by that criminal conspiracy, Your Lordship, the petitioners have become the beneficiary. And then, Your Lordship, there are many documents which are attached in the criminal petition itself, Your Lordship, which contradicts their statement, Your Lordship. Therefore, the contradiction itself shows that there has been a fraudulent transfer. On the one hand, they say it was transferred in the year 1997 to his father. And then again, they say it was transferred to him by right of inheritance. But the father is still alive, Your Lordship.
And these are all
No,
civil
no,
aspects.
that
These
is,
are all
but
civil
I
aspects.
still have to give a small background, Your
Yes,
Lordship,
exactly.
that
You
the
have-
father is still alive, Your Lordship. So how could
You have
the
said already,
petitioners
because-
have inherited the property unless there was somebody helping from the office, Your Lordship?
That is what you
So
have
there
already
is a
said.
criminal conspiracy,
You
Your
have already
Lordship.
said, you have
And
recorded
they
it.
have stated here, Lordship, in the FIR, that it is stated at page para 4, Your Lordship. In this stated context, if such illegal mutation has happened, then Shri Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, being a non-tribal, has no right to purchase any property or get the land mutated in his favor. Now, it is not the case of Sumit Kumar. Sumit Kumar Jain Bora, Your Lordship, claims that he has inherited the property from his father. And even the records show that he has. But Suresh Kumar Jain is still alive. His father is still alive. So, Your Lordship, there has been a tampering of the documents of the district council, Your Lordship. So my prayer is that, Your Lordship, because
Suresh Kumar Jain is the father of
Sumat Kumar Jain, the petitioner here.
Also denied any such things.
Is there any mention of that person anywhere in the thing?
In the documents, in the writ petition, Your Lordship, I'm not sorry,
It is not
the
there.
criminal petition, it is there, Your Lordship. There are so many documents to show that contradicts their own.
It is not there in the averments.
I beg your pardon.
It is not there in the averments in the petition.
The petition is there, Your Lordship.
No, you are talking about the documents, or it is there in the averments?
Averments as well, if they have attached the documents, and then it goes to clearly show that there has been.
Which paragraph the name of this gentleman is there?
Now, Your Lordship, here in para 4 it says, In para 4 of the petition, Your Lordship, criminal petition, it states that he's given a brief fact of the case. That the petitioner states that the brief fact of the case is this, that the land dispute earlier belonged to one late Ramdhani Gupta. In the year 1967, the said Ramdhani Gupta sold a part of a land to one late Dyochand Jain, Bora.
Yes, please carry on.
Yes. Then it was land was sold to one Dyochand Jain, who is the grandfather of the petitioner number 2 here, Your Lordship, as well as the complainant. And that 12 lectures out of 1 Katha 3 lectures were sold to the grandfather. Thereby, the name of late Dyochand Bora was inserted in the land records, and a separate patta was created out of the original patta number 420, which was subsequently numbered as PP number 2105 of dark number 3109. The late grandfather of the petitioner number 2 and the informant demarcated the boundaries between the new plots, being land covered by so-and-so by way of bamboo fencing, as was prevalent in those days, and both Dyochand Bora and Ramdhani Gupta continued to peacefully occupy the possess their thing. So, Your Lordship, here they are saying that the property was purchased by, a portion of the property was purchased by the grandfather of the petitioner number 2.
We are just looking for that name. What you said?
Suresh Kumar.
Yes, Suresh
the
Kumar.
father. Yes, Your Lordship.
Where do we get mention of that?
Yes.
Para 6.
At para 6, Your Lordship, it says that that it is worthwhile to mention herein that the father of the petitioner number 2, that is Suresh Kumar Jain Bora, was not having a good relationship with his own father, that is the grandfather of the petitioner. So, as such, the petitioner number 2, Suresh Kumar Jain Bora, had declared to his father that he will not take any of his property, and the property was given to Sumit. This is his contention, that his grandfather gave the property to Sumit, to the grandson. Under such
And you want to say that during the lifetime of the father, property could not have been
No, I
mutated
am
in
not
the
saying
names.
that, Your Lordship. I would like to take Your Lordship to the records, Your Lordship, because it shows that the property was already standing in the name of the father and the son, Dyochand Jain and Suresh Jain, Your Lordship.
Any transfer, any such transfer.
Anyway, what is the...
So, Your Lordship, these are the contradictions, Your Lordship. They are saying that he himself is saying that the property was given to him by his grandfather, whereas the GHEDC record shows that the property was standing in the name of their father, Suresh Kumar Jain. At page 29, Your Lordship, of the petition. At page 29 of the petition, Your Lordship, yes, Dyochand Jain Bora is supposed to have purchased, according to them, the property from the original owner Ramdhani Yadav or Gupta. Then, Your Lordship, the record also shows in the Jamabandi, Your Lordship, the name of the father is there, Suresh Kumar Jain Bora. So how could, yes, and it has been struck off, and then the name of the petitioner number 2 is inserted in this document.
Saying from where? You are saying it
At
from
page
where?
29, Your Lordship, of the criminal petition. Your Lordship, if Your Lordship sees page, it is a...
on the other hand, it is...
Yeah, everything is here.
It is handwritten.
Yes, it's handwritten.
And then?
And then, Your Lordship, the typed copy is not here though. I don't know, the typed copy must be here.
That is a land document obtained from the...
Jamabandi, Your Lordship. Your Lordship may kindly see, even if it is a handwritten document.
Jamabandi is a land document, isn't
Yes,
it?
yes, correct, Your Lordship. In Garo Hills, they have this
Page
system.
28 is the typed copy.
Typed copy, but at 29, Your Lordship, it is, if Your Lordship may kindly...
See, if you come to page 28,
yes,
in the second tabulation, this on the left hand side,
yes, Your
Dyochand
Lordship,
Jain
it
Bora.
shows Dyochand Bora.
Then down below,
Suresh Chandra. This is the father of the petitioner number 2. And he says that the father of the petitioner was never the owner of the property. But his name is very much there in the Jamabandi. Then it is here at the right-hand corner, your lordship, column, it is showing mutation allowed in favor of Shri Suresh Kumar Jain Bora by right of inheritance from his father. And the father is still alive, your lordship. Till date, he is alive. So how did, then again mutation allowed in favor of Sumit Kumar Jain by right of inheritance. How could he have inherited the property when his father is still alive? And he's showing it as in 1997. You could not have inherited the property when the father was alive, your lordship. So definitely there is a conspiracy, your lordship. Fraudulent transfer and conspiracy. So there is a criminal element, your lordship, which is why the state begs, your lordship, that the investigation should be allowed to be completed to find out what is the truth behind all this, your lordship. Because once the FIR is quashed, your lordship, it gives a finality to the entire thing, and it will not be possible for us to find out what was the truth and how all these things came to happen. But your lordship, if the investigation is allowed, your lordship, we can come to the truth of the matter and we can produce the evidence before the court, and they will not, the petitioners here will not be prejudiced. They will have to face trial, or they can even claim to be discharged, but in no way they will be prejudiced, your lordship.
Even investigation also can give them clean sheet.
I beg your pardon, your lordship.
Even the investigation also can give them clean sheet.
Can give them?
Clean sheet.
Oh, clean sheet. Yes, your lordship. So it is, so at least your lordship.
You are not saying so, you are saying what will happen.
No, I am saying that your lordship, you should be allowed to investigate the matter, bring the facts before the court and come to a clear conclusion whether there has been any fraudulent transfer or not, or whether Sumit Kumar Jain, who claims to be the owner of the property, when his father is still alive, and that too by right of inheritance. And then, your lordship, and in the investigation, your lordship, we have gone, if your lordship wishes to see, we can produce that. Under section 161, your lordship, the father is completely denied all this, because the father is still alive. So the question of inheriting the property by the petitioner number 2 from his father who is still alive does not arise. So definitely there is a conspiracy, which I am trying to say again and again, your lordship. Yes.
All right, it's okay.
No, that is one, your lordship. Then, your lordship, even your lordship may see, your lordship, in their own criminal petition, and this civil case which has been filed by them before the competent court, your lordship, has been filed after the FIR was filed, just as an afterthought and to counter the FIR, your lordship, to show that there is a civil element in this thing and that it is a civil case and not a criminal element. Then, your lordship, there is a power of attorney which Shiv Kumar Jain Gupta is supposed to have given to the petitioner number 2 here, your lordship, in respect of the property. If you were, and that power of attorney, your lordship, I will take you. It is
at page 45.
The power of attorney is of 2009. It is a registered power. The power of attorney was again registered in Shillong, your lordship.
Page 45, your lordship.
Yes, your lordship. At page 45, your lordship, the power of attorney shows that Shiv Jatan Gupta, the husband of Kusum Gupta, your lordship, who had authorized the complainant to file the thing, is supposed to have given the power of attorney to the respondent, the petitioner number 2 here, in 2009, in respect of this very property, of which he claims to be the owner.
That is okay, but then these are all
No.
so long see.
Yes, your lordship, is saying that, I mean, my friend here has said that civil.
For civil things.
But your lordship, I have got a citation, your lordship, which shows that even if there is a civil element, and if there is slight little bit of criminal element also.
You do not have to show us.
Yes. No,
there
then your lordship.
There is no law which says just because there is involvement of civil
thing that the criminal case
cannot
proceed. So this is what I want to bring to your lordship, that this is Amit Kapoor's case.
It is not
your
required.
lordship.
If you want to give it, you can give
No,
it. But
I
then
will
these
not
are-
give your lordship
that is our
because your
separate
lordship is aware of the.
I don't think there will be any dispute by
Yes, your
senior
lordship.
counsel also. That remains the proposition.
So that is what I am
Only
trying
where
to.
what we need to
So
see
your
whether
lordship,
this.
I'm just. Yeah. And the FIR, as my friend is it only an initiation of the criminal proceedings, Your Lordship. It is not an encyclopedia that we give everything and all that. And it was written by a layman who will not be able to give a perfect picture, Your Lordship. So, Your Lordship, my humble submission is that the investigation at this stage should be allowed to continue so that we can come to the truth of the whole matter, Your Lordship.
Yes. Mr. Paske.
Then my citations I will submit, Your Lordship, so that Your Lordship may.
Citation on what point?
On this point, Your Lordship, that at this stage, Your Lordship.
At the initial stage.
Yes, Your Lordship should be allowed to.
Should not scuttle the investigation.
Yes, correct, Your Lordship. That is number one, and that the evidence should not be weighed now, Your Lordship.
Yes.
It is not the stage where Your Lordship will weigh whether there is a criminal element, but if there is sufficient material to show that there is a criminal element, because I have taken Your Lordship to all those materials now, Your Lordship, then Your Lordship may allow the investigation to continue, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Paske.
Your Lordship, my learned seniors have taken you through the FIR as well as the documents.
Yes.
I will take you only to the affidavit that has been filed, additional affidavit filed by the petitioner,
Yes.
wherein the enclosures also have been annexed.
Okay.
So
you
my
are
Lordship,
endorsing
I kindly have-
submissions. You are endorsing the submission made by the learned AG, isn't it?
I'll continue,
Plus
I'll just
your own submission. Okay.
yes. Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, I'll take you to the annexures first of the FIR, because the FIR has been read in extenso.
Yes, you are
My
referring.
Lordship, I won't go to the argument also that if the allegation discloses a civil dispute, that's a settled law, like even if there is a
That
criminal
is why
element,
you
I
are
would take.
endorsing. You are endorsing the submission.
Your Lordship, I'll take you to the annexures to the additional affidavit, wherein the enclosures to the FIR were also filed.
Which is not marked here.
It's an affidavit filed on date is not there, July 2025, Your Lordship. Filed by the petitioner, Your Lordship.
Additional affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship. Enclosing the annexures to the FIR.
There's only the petition.
25/6/2025. Yes.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, it is not been paginated in my thing. Annexure 1, Your Lordship, is the authority letter. Enclosure 1.
That has been pointed out by the senior counsel.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, Annexure 2. Now, this is a very vital annexure, Your Lordship. This is the land patta, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Your Lordship, the land patta is in the name of Shiv Jatan Gupta, Your Lordship. My Lordship has it on the second page, Lordship.
Yes.
Because my pagination is not there, so I won't be able to.
Oh, yes, page 9. Yes.
Your Lordship, here at the top of the page, Your Lordship may see issued P. P stands for periodic patta renewal. Renewal, Your Lordship. In the name of Shiv Jatan Gupta, White Office order number so and so on, Your Lordship, 24th of July 2009. Now, what is the stand, Your Lordship, that they have purchased the land way back in?
No, see, before that there is a, see, dated Tura, the 9 September 2006. And
Yes, Lordship.
below there is a signature.
Yes,
Now,
yes, Your
showing
Lordship.
there in that entry has been made on
19. Yes, Your
okay.
19 September, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Now, Your Lordship, if the on the next page, Your Lordship, that would
No,
be
but what you are trying to point out here? What is there?
what I am trying to point out is, Lordship, that even assuming that the mutation has been carried out way back in 69 or 67 and in 1997, then the name of the the Shiv Jatan Gupta would not be there in the records. Patta would not have been issued in his favor in the year, even assuming it to be September 06 or 2009. Your Lordship, on the next page, Your Lordship, just the next page, just of the Patta itself, the next page, where the validity of the Patta comes into count, Your Lordship. Validity, because these are all periodic lease Pattas. So the validity is of for 10 years. So if the Patta has been renewed in the year 2006, it will be valid till 2016. So that's what it states here, Your Lordship. Till 2006, 31st March 2016. It's in vernacular, Your Lordship. So just next page, Your Lordship, where the name of the...
No, that we cannot read. How can we?
Your Lordship, the date is there, Your Lordship. So that means the validity is till 2016. And Your Lordship, the Patta numbers are the same, 420, DAB number 1450.
Anyway, it's okay, there is okay, but then...
These are part of the records, Your Lordship. It's the same land, which still, till 2016, even assuming without admitting that they purchased it later. When did they purchase them? It's still in my name.
Your name means you are?
I am just the person who has been authorized here, Your Lordship.
Your name, if you want to say your name, that means the name of the person who authorized you, isn't it?
That is husband's name.
Your name is nowhere there.
Husband's name. Kusum Gupta, by way right of inheritance, she would have inherited the said property. So this is the husband of Kusum Gupta.
This Jatan
Shiv
Gupta.
Jatan Gupta. Huh? Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
And then down below, if you come to page 9 of that additional affidavit.
Yes, Your Lordship.
There are, after the note which you have read out, down below in the name of the same person is there, Shiv Jatan Gupta.
Shiv Jatan Gupta, that is the husband of Kusum Gupta.
Ram. Then Ram, what is that Ram?
Ram, actually, the husband of Kusum Gupta used to write Shiv Jatan Ram Gupta or Shiv Jatan Gupta Ram. Your Lordship, is the same plot of land. You can see periodic Patta number 420 on top, just above the name. And in the schedule of the Patta 19.
So you want to say that as on 2006 or 9, as the case may be, that shows that the land was in the name of the husband of the Kusum Gupta.
Till 2016, Your Lordship. On the next page, 9, just 10, because it's written because periodic lease pattas in GHADC are renewed for every 10 years.
This is my
clips are missing actually. One clip.
Keep the knife and we'll need this for the other one. Another one. फाइल वो तो तुम्हारा में नहीं था ये तो
Yes.
Your Lordship, the translated copy is at page 14.
Page 14 of
14 of the affidavit itself, Your Lordship.
same additional affidavit.
Yes, same affidavit, Your Lordship.
Okay.
Your Lordship, the date till date, the local dates. Your Lordship, may I just read the first part, number 1 of the at page 15. The chief executive member of the Garo Hills Autonomous District Council. My
No,
Lordship has it.
what for you are reading this? See, like we will not go into all those things.
That
Not
it
required
is
for
that
this
the
court.
patta was valid till March 31, 2016, Your Lordship.
It's okay. That is, you have showed the last part also.
Your Lordship, then annexure 4.
Is it provided anyway that before 2016 there cannot be any mutation?
Your Lordship, then between
Patta is for 10
non-tribals,
years.
no. No, Your Lordship. Between non-tribals, no. They are not related.
No.
They are not related.
Whether between non-tribals or not, that is a different issue. But then the stipulation. We'll continue in the second half then. Oh, second half means after division bench is over.
Then let it on Monday, Your Lordship.
Monday. Okay, we can continue on Monday then.
Okay. Monday is okay.
So we'll keep this matter part hard then.
Monday.
Yes, Your Lordship.
You look
Keep it as part hard for the rest of the. It will come up on Monday, next Monday. As part hard. Just hard ladder council. Preparing for the parties. Stop. The hearing remains inconclusive. List on such and such for further hearing as part hard. Let us finish it. Otherwise, this is a problem. Yes. There is other matter in Singapore.
Deeply obliged, Your Lordship.